Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Carchex Extended Warranty, a prominent provider of extended vehicle protection plans. If you're considering an extended warranty for your vehicle in 2025, this review will provide you with all the essential information you need. We'll explore the platform's overview, the main features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and conclude with an assessment of its value this year 2025. Carchex has been a significant player in the extended vehicle protection industry for over 2 decades. Established to offer comprehensive and flexible warranty solutions, Carchex serves as a broker, connecting customers with various warranty providers to find plans that best suit their needs. This approach allows them to offer a wide range of coverage options tailored to different vehicles and budgets. One of the standout features of Carchex is its commitment to customer service. The company boasts an A+ rating from the Better Business Bureau (BBB) and has received endorsements from reputable organizations like Kelley Blue Book, Edmunds, RepairPal, and Carfax. These accolades reflect Carchex's dedication to transparency, reliability, and customer satisfaction. Carchex's platform is user-friendly, providing potential customers with easy access to free quotes and detailed information about various plans. By visiting their website, you can quickly navigate through different coverage options, understand the benefits of each plan, and request a personalized quote that considers your vehicle's make, model, age, and mileage. Now let us talk about the main features of Carchex. Carchex offers 5 distinct levels of coverage, ensuring that there is a plan suitable for every driver. Titanium. It is the highest level of coverage, comparable to a manufacturer's bumper-to-bumper warranty. It covers nearly all vehicle components, with only a few exclusions. Platinum provides extensive protection for major vehicle systems, including the engine, transmission, drive axle, steering, electrical, and more. It's ideal for those seeking comprehensive coverage without opting for the top-tier plan. Powertrain Plus coverage. This coverage provides essential coverage to the major systems of your vehicle, with few exceptions as well. This Powertrain Plus level programs cover so much more than just your basic powertrain system. There's also the powertrain coverage. They are designed to protect you from the most common and expensive repairs to the engine and transmission. And there's the extra care coverage, which provides vehicle coverage protection for many of the crucial items outside of the powertrain, such as the electrical system, the steering, suspension, and braking system. In addition to these plans, Carchex provides several benefits to enhance the customer experience. 24/7 roadside assistance. This includes services like towing, jump starts, flat tire changes, lockout assistance, and a fuel delivery. Having access to these services can be a lifesaver during unexpected breakdowns. Rental car reimbursement. If your vehicle is in the shop for a covered repair, Carchex reimburses up to $40 per day with a maximum of $320. Some contracts may offer different terms, so it's essential to review your specific plans. Trip interruption coverage. Should your vehicle break down more than 100 miles from home, Carchex covers up to $100 per day for food and lodging for up to 3 days. This feature ensures you're not left stranded without support during long-distance travels. Flexible repair options. With a network of over 30,000 repair facilities, including national chains like Pep Boys, Goodyear, and Firestone, as well as independent shops and dealerships, you have the freedom to choose where your vehicle is serviced. Now let us talk about the pricing. The cost of a Carchex extended warranty varies based on several factors, including your vehicle's make, model, age, mileage, and the level of coverage you select. But on average, extended car warranties can cost around $3,026 in total. However, Carchex offers flexible payment options to accommodate different budgets. But if you want an accurate quote, it's recommended that you contact Carchex directly or you visit their website to use their quote tool, which you can find on the footer of the platform. This is the button. Now let us talk about the pros and cons of using Carchex. First, we talk about the pros. Variety of coverage options, strong customer service, extended repair network, and additional benefits like roadside assistance, rental car reimbursement, and trip interruption coverage. How about the cons? Maintenance exclusions. Routine maintenance services like oil changes, tire rotations, and wiper blade replacements are not covered under Carchex plans. Limited coverage for certain vehicles, like motorcycles, RVs, or certain luxury and exotic car brands like Bentley, Lamborghini, or Porsche. Is Carchex worth it in 2025? Well, as of 2025, Carchex remains a reputable and reliable choice for extended vehicle protection. However, it's crucial to assess your individual needs, driving habits, and the specific condition of your vehicle. While Carchex offers comprehensive coverage options, it's essential to read the fine print of any contract to understand what is and what is not covered fully. Additionally, comparing quotes and coverage details from multiple providers can help ensure that you make an informed decision that best suits your circumstances. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Car Shield, Endurance, and Protect My Car. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.